This is just a real quick one today, but I wanted to let everybody know about this deal that I found on Amazon. I use these mini ball heads like crazy, and these metal ones cost like around $5 a piece. You can buy them in 4 packs to get them cheaper, but they're still not cheap by any means. And if you use a lot of these, the cost really adds up. Well, the nice thing is I found these nylon ball heads, and they're not tough by any stretch of the imagination, but they're great for light duty gear like cell phones, microphones, small lights, things like that. And they would not be good for a big heavy camera like this or mounting a tablet or something like that, but they're perfect for this little Micro Four Thirds or anything smaller than that, like camcorders or action cameras, webcams, and other lightweight items. And I can't foresee them as wearing out if you move them around a lot. And because they are nylon and not metal, I wouldn't want to like crank anything down with like a Herculean grip. But for lightweight stuff, I'm generally putting this stuff on a wall mount L bracket or something like that, and I'm going to set it and forget it and maybe move it once in a while and do a little bit of moving to this stuff. But for the most part, these things are really awesome. And for me, I bought 32 of these at $20, so it came out to something like 63 cents a piece. You can buy more and get an even bigger deal. You can get like 200 of these for $99, which makes them just a little bit less than 50 cents a piece. But I don't need 200 of these things, so 32 for me was that sweet spot. I probably won't even use all 32 of these, but I didn't think I'd ever use 10 of the originals, but we'll see. Time will tell. You can get them in lower quantities, like 4 or 8 packs, but like I said, I just wanted to pass this along. This is this is an amazing deal for videographers or photographers who need to mount lightweight equipment, and you just can't beat the price on these things. Anyway, there's not much else to say about these things, and as I mentioned, they're not perfect, but a fantastic value for what they are, and I really hope this can help someone else out with some of their video production or photography on the cheap. Thanks for watching. That's it for now, and I'll see you next time.